Look good. Oh, what's up, man? So, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, welcome back to Chill Stream. It's your boy Vussy. You know the vibes. I was just still trying to send the links to the public telegram real quick. If you're not part of the public telegram group, you need to make sure you hop on that right now. You feel me? This is where I share all my links, my insights, and stuff like that. So the link is in the description box below on this video. And before we proceed, right? Before we proceed, I need y'all to like the video. I see there's a lot of people in here, so I need to see the likes up. You feel me? I need to see the thing. I need to see the likes up, and then we can start with the agendas of the day. Oh, shout out to everybody who's in the stream right now. I just wanted to catch up with you guys a little bit. You understand? I'm gonna share some insight today, so I hope you know what I'm saying. You got a pen and a notebook because you gotta take some notes. You feel me? If the audio and the video is fine, let me know. Just comment the fire emoji or this emoji. You understand? If the audio and the video is fine, just comment in the building. What are we looking at? I'm not gonna take you to indices today, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm seeing a buy on USD CAD. You understand? So I'm gonna see if we can find a nice setup there or something like that in the building. So, guys, I said, okay. If the audio and video is fine, just comment fire emojis and everything so I can know that, you know what I'm saying? So I can know you guys can hear me, you can see me. You feel me? So in today's video, listen, this is what we're going to talk about. I'm going to answer some Q&As. I did some Q&As with... I did some Q&As. Actually, I've been getting a lot of questions on my Instagram and stuff like that. So I went over questions people are asking me the most, you understand? So I'm going to attempt to answer a couple of them while we go through some of our charts here. You understand? We're going to analyze and then I'm going to attempt to answer some of these questions. I'm sure it's going to help some of you guys and stuff like that, but it has more to do with psychology than a lot of things. So yeah, today we're not talking about... okay, we might talk about one broker I specifically want to talk about. So, the first question, this is the first question I got, right? Someone said, Kupa funding, meaning, can you please fund me? You understand? So, this person is just decided to come and ask for funding, which I have nothing against, right? I have nothing against funding anyone, but you need to understand that, guys, I'm not going to fund you to blow an account, you understand? I'm not going to fund you so you can blow your account with my money there. No, I'd respect someone asking me to share the knowledge, even though maybe you're going through. I'm not saying ask me for thing. I'm not saying ask me for free stuff or whatever matter. I would respect it more someone asking for knowledge rather than someone asking for money for funding. Because first of all, you need to understand funding doesn't automatically mean if Vussy Max funded your account, you're gonna make money. You actually need to have a strategy, solid strategy first. Your psychology needs to be in the right place. Hence, we like to say the saying, don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. You understand? So, if you cannot afford to lose your own money, but you can afford to lose someone else's money, you understand? It's the psychology is just not there in the building. Blowing is part of the journey. Someone said blowing is part of the journey. Yeah, blowing is part of the journey, you understand? But you need to blow your own money. You need to invest your own money, fam. You understand? And even more so, you need to first have a strategy. First, have a strategy that you know you tested and you understand. Have a strategy you tested and you know the strategy works. Which is why I was talking about the thing of having when you start, you don't have to start with like 1,000, 5,000, whatever. Because I know some of y'all are actually in school. You understand? Because I just saw someone said in the comment section. Someone said just came running from school when I saw you streaming. You understand? So some people are actually still at school. You understand? So which is why my advice to you is start with a micro account, fam. You understand? Start with a micro account. And I'm telling you, you'll be fine. Start with a micro account. Trade micro NAS100. I always say this. That's how we started. You understand? That's how we started this journey. So yeah, you need to first, develop your skill before you can even think about trading live. So for the fact that you're asking money, I know you don't have a strategy in the building. You understand? So another question that I get asked quite a lot, and I don't know what's going on, but someone said, what do you think about uh manifesting? You understand? Manifesting is like, I don't know exactly. I don't want to lie. I kind of have to search what manifesting means. You understand? I kind of have to search manifest meaning. You see now, it's not telling me the right stuff. But I think from what I've heard about manifesting is like bringing, I don't know, visualizing your goals, dreams, or something like that. I think, yeah, you should know what you want. You understand? But without actually putting in the work, there's no manifestation that's gonna take place. You understand? So manifestation works. You must know what you want. You must visualize what you want, where you wanna be, and stuff. But you actually need to put in the work. You understand? You need to put in the work, fam. So someone also asked me on Instagram, right? Someone also asked me. They said, motivation versus discipline. You understand? Motivation versus discipline. I see someone in the chat is asking me, did I trade NFP? This NFP, this one I didn't trade it, fam. I did not trade this NFP. You understand? I did not trade this NFP in the building, but I think what we can do on this USD CAD, I'm seeing a setup probably on the H4. So yeah, someone asked me, what do you think about motivation versus discipline? I say you need saying a little bit of both. You need a little bit of both, but discipline will take you further than motivation ever could. You understand? Discipline will take you further than motivation ever could take you. So it's good to be motivated sometimes, but you're not gonna feel motivated every day. You understand? You won't be motivated every day. So what happens when you wake up and you don't feel motivated? Are you still gonna put in the work, or you won't? So that's the real question. That's the real question. You understand? I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing with the USD CAD. I missed the entry here. I was supposed to enter down there. You understand? But we missed the entry. So I don't know where this thing is might retest, but I think it's a little bit far, but I don't know if it's gonna come back down there to retest. Or maybe we look at it in the 30 minutes time frame. But yeah, fam. So Gary is asking, hi guys, new to the. Hey, I want to know, can you trade US30 on CPI with 400? Yeah, you can do it, but it's most definitely gonna show you flames, because you have to understand on these fundamentals, the spread is actually crazy. You understand? And the margin can fluctuate. You understand? The margin can fluctuate. So 400, you can open a trade, fairly. You understand? But maybe you might find that where you enter, maybe there might be slippage, there might be all sorts of crazy things. You might just incur a loss of like minus 300 before you even operate. You understand? You might be sitting on minus 300 already just by opening a trade. So meaning if the market just moves a little bit, you'll be out. But if you want to trade, if you want to do it the right way, you can trade using what you call micro. If you're 400, guys, don't force, operate car micro. You understand? So our USD CAD already retested down there. It already retested, went to form a structure. It came to form a structure somewhere here. But this is now, we're in the micro time frames now. Like smallest time frames, you understand? It formed structure here, was retesting, and then moving sideways, basically. So I think the next area where the market can retest would have to be somewhat this level. So the only reason I'm gonna enter this trade that I'm sniping is if the market actually comes down here and then we go up, you understand? So that's what I'm gonna be waiting on, the market to just slightly pull back down here, you understand? And then we're gonna operate a buy. I sell down there. Actually give you guys a signal now. You just have to wait for this thing to actually do the things, you understand? If you wait on this, you might just get a nice signal there, you understand? Risk 30% of that 400, dog. You understand? Someone says risk 30% of that 400. How will you risk 30% of 400 bucks, dog? How will you do that? Because spread and margin won't even allow you to do some of the things you guys are saying here. So how? But if you're trading micro, hey guys, this thing is buying. I don't think it's gonna come back, but it might. We don't know. But yeah, yeah, we don't know. We'll see what's up. So as I was saying, motivation can only take you so far without the discipline, because you won't always feel motivated every day. You understand? There's gonna be days where you have to drag yourself out of bed to actually put in the work. So yeah, that's what I think about that. And then the next question I get is, how much I gotta make in the game until I can hang out with you, my guy? So how much can I make in the game? How much I gotta make in the game before I can hang out with you, my guy? Hey, but you see now, that one, just push, guys. Just push. That's all I can say. Just push. You understand? Just push, dog. If you push, it's gonna be inevitable for people to notice you. You understand? This goes with everything. I've met a lot of people through my YouTube or Instagram, but I actually had to push first, bring out good content so that people, you understand, so that people know me. You understand? I had to be someone that people wanna know. So you have to push, dog. You have to push. There's no shortcut to chilling with people. You understand? You just have to push. Focus on your grind. Put all the stuff aside and just focus on your grind for like 6 months to a year, and I'm telling you, you won't be the same when you come back, my G. Mike, if you're 400 guys, don't force correct, come on. Understand? So our USD had already tested, don't they? You feel what I'm saying? So tomorrow's gonna be CPI. Tomorrow is CPI. You understand? And right now we're looking at USD, Canadian dollar. You understand? I'm saying the only reason for me to enter is if this market actually comes down here. If it doesn't do that, then I have no reason to enter this thing. You understand? So that's why we're standing with USD CAD. Used to be one of my favorite currencies when I used to operate. You understand? When I used to operate currencies, it used to be one of my favorite currencies, because I know on fundamentals, every time we have fundamentals, this thing will move. You understand? This thing will move. So yeah, used to make us a little nice money. Shout out to my Zambian niggas. You understand? Someone is watching from Zambia, so shout out to you, my G. So someone's saying, what if I'm pushing but I have no financial support? Dog, focus on the knowledge. There's always a way, dog. There's always a way. There's always a way, dog. Focus on, just like you have no financial support, but you can watch this video on live right now. You have to hustle for data and stuff like that, but you still made it happen. You understand? So I'm trying to say is, don't look at situations in terms of obstacles, but look at situations in terms of how can you get out, because no one is going to come to save you at the end of the day, and that's just the sad truth. So you have to, when your mind, this is also a psychology I had to apply in Forex. In your mind, you always have to look at things from the brighter side. You understand? Not to say every situation is good, but you have to analyze, like, the solution out of this is what? You might have to get a low job. You might have to, you understand, piece jobs or something, whatever they can take you to the next step, G. You have to be willing to do that. What can I do to prove myself to you, bro? So you can fund me even 300. I'm serious, bro. But do you have a strategy, my G? Strategy, because I was saying, it's strategy first before anything. Strategy first, my G. You understand? So for this person saying how much I gotta make to hang out with you, I'm saying just focus on yourself. You understand? Focus on yourself, focus on your grind and push. If you push enough, it's gonna be inevitable for us to hear about you. You understand? We're gonna have to know you. We're gonna have to chill. You understand? If you make the right movement. So yeah, that's what's up. So someone said I bought your subscription. So what's next? So, dog, in terms of my mentorship, you have to like be willing to kind of unlearn some of the things you've been shown in the past. You understand? Because some of the concept won't make sense if you try to merge everything I'm going to try to show you in my mentorship and you merge it with what already you know and stuff. You understand? But the basic stuff, you understand, the basic stuff like how to open trades, orders and stuff, those stuff never change no matter where you go. You understand? It's just that now we don't apply things the same way. You understand? We don't apply things the same way, and we see this market in different ways. So after you get into my subscription, I'm gonna show you how to see things from my perspective. You understand? And I'm gonna show you with the results. I'm not just gonna, you know what I'm saying? The results speak on themselves. So yeah, I'm seeing this thing looks like it's gonna drop a little bit. So we might just get a signal on. We might just get a signal on USDC AD. You understand what I'm saying? Guys, also can I ask you like real quick, how many times would you want me to operate a stream like in a week? You understand? How many times would y'all want me to operate the stream? And keep the likes up, G. Keep the likes up. So someone in the chat says Global GT blocked me, bro. What did you do? I'm sure you did some illegal strategies, ne? Because you know brokers have their terms and conditions and stuff. So I know Global GT is also strict. So I don't know, man. Maybe you might have just did some stuff. Dog, my mentorship. Someone in the chat says, how much is your mentorship? Mentorship is $900, ne? Which is like 60 USD once off. You understand? You'll get mentorship, Zoom lessons, and then signals daily. You understand? And so it's a once-off fee to join the mentorship, and then everything else you'll find out in the public Telegram, dog. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Do it every day, bro. Do minimum 3 times. At least 3, ne? Yeah, I think you guys have a point. At least 3 times. Okay, this thing still's buying. Still buying. What can we do? Guys, I'll operate. I'll operate the operations. You understand? I'm gonna give you guys what's going on with NAS. I'm gonna operate. Let's see what's going on with NAS. I know you niggas love NAS100. The way you love NAS100, or the way people love NAS100, you would swear it doesn't blow accounts. This thing. But if you knew the horrors of NAS100, I actually give you guys a thing. I'll actually give you guys a hack, ne? Let me give you guys a hack. Alright? But I shouldn't even be giving you guys this piece of information. You understand? As soon as I come here, everybody just be saying, dog, like, as soon as I come on here, like, you niggas make me wanna reveal things. You understand? So I'll tell you one thing. This is why I'm zooming into this chart. Okay, so now we're looking at NAS100 in the daily, right? In the daily time frame. I zoomed in for a specific reason. I wanna tell you guys, right? And this is gonna also go to tonight. I think we're gonna have a mentorship session with the VIP. So this is also gonna go there. But yeah, let me just drop this knowledge. You understand? So we're looking at the daily time frame. So if you can check, this is our candlestick, right? Today's current candlestick. So what you need to focus on, look at yesterday's candlestick, right? There's a wick on top, there's a wick at the bottom. It's only in a few instances where you'll find that the market moves in one direction and there's no wick on the other end. But most of the times, there's a wick at the bottom, there's a wick at the top. Here, there's only a wick at the top. Wick at the bottom, wick at the top. Wick at the bottom, wick at the top. I'm assuming you guys know what a candlestick wick is, right? So, if you look at today's candlestick has only been dropping. You understand? Today's candlestick has only been dropping since the market opened, right? Since the market opened, we kind of went a little bit up, a little bit. It's not sufficient enough, but we've been dropping ever since, dropping. Which, so what does this tell you? This tells you that the market was working its way on making the candlestick wick, the bottom one. You understand? So if this market is making a bottom candlestick wick, it means it still hasn't made the top candlestick wick. You understand? So chances are, if you can just focus on the daily movement, you'll see the low of the day. The low of the day is here. Okay, let me put some lines. So this is where the market opened. This is where the market opened day. All right. This is the low of the day at the end of the candlestick wick there. Right. Ever since the market opened, it just went up a little bit, and the high of the day is currently sits there. You understand? So do you see how little movement we have to the upside and how much movement we actually have to the bottom? Right? So if this thing is still gonna make it's still gonna give us a candlestick wick at the top, that means we have to look for buys. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because look at this candlestick, right? Let me give you an example with another candlestick, so maybe you can understand what I'm saying. So this is the market open, right? This is the market close, right? We're looking at this candlestick right here. So the low of the day was there at the end of the week. Our low of the day right now currently sits here, right? Our high of the day now on this candlestick, it's way up there. You understand? Our high of the day hasn't even had, the market hasn't even played around that side of the high of the day. So this tells me that we have higher chances if we look for buys. You understand? We have higher chances of success today if we look for buys. Hope you guys can understand what I'm saying. Let's see what's up. So now, if we actually go to the structure and try to validate what we're talking about, the structure. So we have a level there and we have a level at the top, right? But it seems what must can happen if the NAS is rejecting the level at the bottom. So this will all depend. Because the market opened there, and then we just went to drop, you understand? But now we're at a level, right? You can see this level has been respected. 1, 2, 3, 4, retest 5. Now we're here for the 6th time. So, you understand? I want you guys to understand what's going on here. You understand what I'm saying? So we're at a level now, and I know it looks bearish as hell. It looks bearish too much, but we need to look at the structure, not what, because the market tends to, you understand, the market tends to deceive us, show us something and then pull another move out of the blue, and you ask yourself, where did this move, or where did this buy or sell come from? So this is where such things come from, us not paying attention on the structures, not paying attention on the daily, on the candlestick formations and stuff like that. That's why I always say, if you want to enter a trade, you must first wait for candlestick close before you operate, because you don't know what the candlestick is going to close. So it might be bullish now and then actually close bearish, you understand? So I'm gonna be looking for a buy here. I'm gonna be looking for a buy, but I'm not just gonna blind. I'm not saying you need to understand something. This channel is so I can operate knowledge for you guys. It's not or what I'm saying here is a signal or what. I'm saying I'm looking for buys. I'm not saying I'm buying now. You understand? I'm looking for opportunities right now. Maybe this candlestick, if we can close bullish, if I like this one, that's engulfing the previous one. You understand? Then maybe I can look for a buy. But if I do get something like a buy, then we will have to keep the SL somewhere there, and the TP somewhere there. Close to 1:1, because remember it hasn't entered this zone. So if we enter a trade when it's away from this zone, then it kind of opens up the risk to reward now. You understand? So it will be more of a 1:1 trade. So you know not to go too aggressive if it's a 1:1, because you understand, we're risking more or less the same money to make more or less the same amount of money. So it's not worth it to just risk it like that. So yeah, but I think it's gonna buy this thing based on the daily candlestick movement and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to more questions before I'm gonna answer thing. I'm gonna go to more questions before I actually come back to you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a chance. That probably the last 5 minutes, you guys, I'm gonna answer every questions you guys have. You understand? So shoot the questions right now. And when this thing I think is gonna bite you. This thing is gonna buy. I'm just gonna wait for not daily, H1 candlestick close. So someone said grind first, then enjoy life later. You understand? So I'm answering this for my DMs. So someone said grind first, enjoy life later. Yeah, grind first. Yeah, you understand. There's a time to grind. There's a time to enjoy your thing, your hard work. Your hard work is the fruits of your hard work, basically. But you understand, you can still enjoy while you're grinding, but enjoying doesn't mean spending all your profits as they come. You understand? Enjoying just means being happy that you're making progress. For me, that's enjoying. Seeing progression in your work, that's enjoying. You understand? And then the money will come. It always comes, but you just need to work first. So yeah, I guess I support the notion of grind first and then enjoy life later. But I feel like for me to enjoy life, it's not only about money. You understand? I can enjoy life for the friendships and relationships I have and whatever. So that's why I'm saying a little bit of both. You still need to find a way to enjoy life, even though you're still grinding. You understand? Because tomorrow is not promised. You understand me, my G? Hey, dog. Whatever support system that you have, like, you need to use it. Whatever support system that you have, use it if they can help you fund an account and whatever. But even if you don't have it, a support system, you need to rely on yourself. You need to operate. You need to operate yourself. You understand? You need to find a way to make it regardless. That's the attitude I had. I never looked at it like, okay, this is a handout or whatever. Because I would, if I got help, then it was fine. But even though I didn't get help, I would still try to find a way to do it by my own. So that's just the way of life. If there's support system, operate. But if there's no support system, you need to find a way to make that money to fund an account. No one is coming to save you, G. You understand what I'm saying? So what's going on, God? And as I told you guys, we're gonna wait for candlestick close, and then maybe I'm gonna buy. Send a signal to the mentorship. You understand? Details to the mentorship is in the thing. It's in the description box below, so you guys can shoot the questions right now. Don't ask me about mentorship in the chat. Just shoot whatever questions you have. I'm gonna answer them now. Mr. Entry. I missed the entry on US30. Not US30, gold. No, but I didn't miss the entry. It's fine. So So I got another question I get asked a lot is, who are these people you're always with? You understand? Who are these people you're always with? So me, I'm always chilling with like-minded individuals. So people that I hang out with most of the times is traders. You understand? If you see me in the club, I'm with traders. If you see me, basically anywhere you see me, I chill. I'm always with traders. Basically, I find it best to hang out with the people that can either uplift you or show you something. You understand? You can always learn from each other. Even though we're making money, doesn't mean we can't improve or something like that. What am I doing now? Okay. So this thing already retested. I was waiting for a buy from this structure on this bounce, right? On this bounce that you're seeing there, I wanted to enter a buy, but we missed that. That ship has already sailed. So yeah, I'm always chilling with traders. You understand? Because I find it when you become the people you hang out with most of the time. So I might as well just be around people who are in the same field as I am. Sometimes they're even better than me. You understand? But yeah, that's how it works. So someone said, I want to join your gang, bro. I already said, dog, go join my public Telegram. Link is in the description box of this video. Go join the public Telegram. If you want mentorship, details are in the bio also of this video. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, let me start from the daily when it comes to gold, because I don't understand what the hell is going on here. I don't understand what the hell is going on. So, okay, this is my structure. This is my structure on the daily of gold. You understand? We had this high, the peak. This is the all-time high. We almost hit it, but we didn't quite hit it this side. So I just marked it there because I know something's going to happen there. We might just bounce and then retest from the top, and then we can buy on top of that. And then we have this low. Market made contact here 1, 2, 3 times. So it's marked. Then we have a midsection here. The market made contact here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 times. So we have our main trend line for the uptrend, right? We have our low, our high, our higher low, and then our high. We don't have a higher low yet, as of yet. So if we go to the H4, we have a continuation pattern there. The market went up, rallied up, and then we broke the trend line, and then the market moved sideways, which was a continuation pattern. We could see it from a mile away. So after that, now we had a breakout, and then it retested this structure, went up, almost took out the high, all-time high, came back down to retest this level again. That's the trade we were supposed to enter and hold. You understand? But the market formed other structures on top, which is where now the market is at. So now we're going to the H1, so this whole structure can make sense. So this is why I'm saying I was supposed to enter down there on this retest, but this ship has already sailed. I don't know. I don't like to I don't like to focus too much on the trade to a point where even after it's gone, I just hold on to it. If it's gone, I allow it to just fly, you understand, and then look for opportunities elsewhere. I would advise you to also have the same kind of mindset when it comes to this, you understand? So do I still have thing? So someone said, like, what financial freedom can do for all of us? Question mark. So you understand this one, I think it's more about, we're all different individuals. We have the same goal, in like we want to become successful trading forex, but we have different ways we describe being successful, basically, is what I'm saying. So one person's success to them might be wearing Gucci, stuff like that. To another person's success might just be being able to take care of your family, you understand? Being able to take care of your family, being able to, maybe not, being able to not work. and just like live your life and just trade on specific sessions or time zones and stuff, that can be success for a lot of people. So it just depends what you want. But for me, I find it a great. It brings me a lot of joy to know that like I don't have to work. Go to. I mean, I'm working now. I'm working now, but I don't have to go to. I don't have to dress informal and go to submit myself to someone and do what they want me to do. I'm not that type of person, you understand? So I can just work from home wherever. That gives me a great deal of joy. Also, being able to take care of my family, for me, that's success. So yeah, I'm gonna answer the question that you guys have on the chat. Right? I think we have like 2 minutes, 3 minutes left here on this live. I do have this. So Brazen says, I do have a strategy, but that's why I'm asking to prove myself to you on a WhatsApp chat or something. My G. I don't know, fam. If you have a strategy, how do you know the strategy works? How do you know that, fam? When Nasdaq starts buying, set your TP at 13,600. Okay, let's check 13.6. Let's see what's up with the zone and levels. Can you make trading a 9 to 5 job? Basically, that's what I did. You understand? That's what I did. And NAS is buying, dog. I'm gonna enter a buy now. I'm definitely entering a buy. I think I got another confirmation right now. This trend line. So yeah, it's definitely buying right now. You understand? And if we can clone this, you understand now. So now we have a proper structure. Proper structure. NAS is buying. So fam, that's easy. I'm telling you. That's easy, dog. So yeah, this is our trade right now. I just have to send it to the thing right now, dog. You understand me? Yeah, SL is gonna be there. TP is gonna be somewhere here. I don't say I didn't give you nothing. I gave you guys a signal now. So let's operate. Yeah, can you make trading a 9 to 5 job? I made it my 9 to 5, basically. For me, it's even more than 9 to 5. It's a 24/7. Where is Zakes? Zakes is chilling, man. Zakes is chilling. We were just talking the other day. The video I did with them made, you niggas took it to 50K. So shout out, man. You feel me? Shout out. Do you ever trade GER30? I don't trade GER30, but yo, I know Zakes kills that thing, but it was never my thing. I tried, but guys, it's not make sure. You understand? So fam, though this thing is buying, so we'll see what's up. It's your boy Vussy Max in the building. Yeah, shout out to everybody that pulled up to the chill stream. I hope you liked the video. You understand? I hope you liked the video. Me, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna operate another one. You understand? Probably after CPI or something. Then we can catch up. You understand? Maybe I'll have a haircut by then. I'll be looking a lot neater in the building. So yeah, it's a boy Vussy Max, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Shout out to y'all. Man.